Essential standards for English 2.
For reading literature 1, use citing strong evidence is key to a better answer. You can use details to support the main idea, and you can use both that supports and those that are stated directly as evidence.
Reading literature standard 2, determine the theme or central idea of the text, and use details that develop over the course of the text, and you can't use your own ideas or opinions.
Now,
using certain words and phrases in the text to help understand the text better. The way you comprehend certain words can affect the tone and the meaning of the text.
Reading literature 1, it demonstrates command of the conventions of standard English. It uses parallel structure. It uses varied types of phrases like noun, verb, and adjective.
Reading information standard 2, determine the central idea of the text and analyze its development over the course of the text. For example, Martin Luther King Jr. I Have a Dream speech, the central idea was that people weren't following what the Constitution said.
Reading information standard 6, determine an author's point of view or purpose in a text and analyze how an author uses rhetoric to advance that point of view or purpose. Reading information 6 is important because it helps people understand what the author is saying and it helps the author get their point across better. For example, if an author wants to get a point about how large the oceans are, they would use a figure of speech like hyperbole.
Writing 1. Writing arguments to support claims in analysis of substantive topic or text by using valid reasoning, relevant, and sufficient evidence. Writing 9. Produce clear and coherent writing in which the development, organization, and style are appropriate to task, purpose, and audience.
Language 1. Learn to demonstrate command of the conventions of standard English grammar and usage when writing or speaking. Use parallel structure. Use different types of phrases like a noun, verb, adjectival, adverbial, participle, prepositional, and absolute. Causes, dependent, noun, relative, and adverbial. And basically saying this is to convey specific meaning and add variety and interest to writing or present.
Use things like semicolons or conjunctive adverbs to put two ideas together. Use colons when you are making lists or quoting something. Always check your spelling so that your writing makes sense.